There are a lot of side effects that goes with birth control that nobody tells you about them, except for a few people who have experienced it and are willing to share. But when you go to the hospital, nobody will tell you about all this. One, you gain weight. Your nurse or doctor will not tell you that you are going to gain weight when you use those birth control. Even when you ask them, they will say, it's just normal. Maybe you will gain a little pounds. My dear, it's a lie. I'm telling you, I'm talking from experience. And some of these birth control, you use them and you no longer see your period. That's something you want to deal with, something God has created to come out every month. Because of birth control, you no longer see it, or sometimes all you get to see is just spotting. For the ones that you get to see your period, it comes heavy and stays for long. You either go for the one that you get to see your period and it comes very heavy and stays for a long time, or the one that you don't see it at all. There are times you will not just feel yourself, even if you've not done anything. There are times maybe you spend the whole day at home, you've not really done so much work, but you still feel tired as a result of the birth control. That's something you want to deal with. Some people start having acne even when you've had a very smooth face all along. All of a sudden you just start having acne. You treat and treat and treat, but this thing is not going away because the culprit is still there in your body. So how do you expect it to go away? No matter the amount of treatment you use, the acne won't go. How do you explain the fact that you've not eaten anything since morning? You have probably drank just water and you're feeling so bloated, all because of birth control. And you may not even pay attention to know that it's the birth control that is making you feel this way. So you get to deal with unnecessary bloating. How about anxiety? You just get anxious for nothing. When you have every reason to be relaxed, but you get anxious, then at one point you start having heavy palpitations. What about low immune system? You keep falling ill every month. You start treating malaria every month. When you have these challenges and you go and tell them in the hospital, they will tell you it's not the birth control that is disturbing you, because that's what they've been trained to tell you. I was speaking with someone the other day and I was trying to get her enlightened about some of the effects that may go with the fact that she doesn't get to see her period. And she said, but doctor said it does not have any effect. I'm fine. I just told her, no problem. Since you are fine with it and you feel it's okay, then that's fine. As a woman who is just in her mid-30s, arthritis is something you want to deal with, because arthritis is one of the things that will come with this birth control. These are some of the side effects that goes with medical birth control that no one tells you about. So before you get birth control on, just make sure you do your research, ask all the questions, and be sure it's something you would want to deal with. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.